Hey, let's go. Let's go. I'm ready, excited to go to the airplane. Okay, how many tickets do you want? Oh, 4. Sir? Okay, 4. I need not to wheel. Okay, thank you, sir. No problem. Give it to your other friends. Okay. Okay, you can go now. Please take it out. She's wet. We can go to the motion one. Have fun. I'm gonna sweep up the table because I done my job. Okay, hi. This is in motion. It costs is green when you have emotions. Cause it's red when you have a bad emotions. It's cause is blue when you have a new emotion. Let's go. Okay. Anxiety. Okay. Joy. Okay. Oh, anger. Why you anger? Because my friend beat me. Oh, okay. That's why your friend beat you. You sure? Oh no, not ads. Come on, Apple. Here is the bag motions. It will keep your bag inside, and they will throw an air at the box. You can pass. Sorry, wait, where's your bag? Sorry, my bag. I don't have a bag. Okay, let me take your bags. And they will save it tomorrow. For the taxi. Doom. Okay, release it. Okay. Release it. Release your. Release your bags. Be quickly because it's gonna smell your mouth. Now it's at the bagging station. Okay, you can go now. Thank you very much. Come on, you can go now. Bro, you cannot fit. My leg. Why fixing him? There we go. Get your ticket, please. Okay. Okay. You goofy monster. Put it to the ticket back. Okay. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Oh no, the ads is coming. New. Okay, you can go now. I'm so scared. Don't be scared, you little guy. This is an airplane. Nobody wants to scare. It's like a 3D home. Okay. You can go now. Have fun. See you later at Taiwan. So let's go to Taiwan. Very scared. Oh, Ayo, stop. Ayo, stop. Ayo, stop. Anyways. Bro, I'm real scared. You ready? You ready? I can't climb. Let's go in. Why did you use that? Sorry. Anyways, let's go. Wait, why are you wearing that too? Sorry. All aboard. Yeah, this is so fun. Yeah, but I'm scared. Don't worry, this is a 3D map. Ayo, don't say that. Or it might crash into you. Or it might crash into you. Stop it. Stop struggling. Wow. Wow, look at the sky. You can see the whole map here in a 3D. Yeah, I can't. But someone will push us. Nah, he won't. Ah. Where should I aim? I think the airplane. No, don't do it. It's gonna cause many people die. Who said that? Not just the guys. Ignore them. Oh, he's so mean to us. What should we do? Type. I know. Let's add a bomb at it. Wait, no. At Taiwan. Okay, go. Wait, what is that? Wait, what is this? Wait, what is this? Don't step on that. That's a landmine. Now who cares? Dun. Wait, no. Gonna burn you. Wait, I'm gonna. That guy is tricking us. Wait, we'll revive. Wait until we revive. Ah! Help! OMG. Guys, I can't control anymore. It's fine. It's not flying anymore. Oh no, type high. Wait until we revive. Ayo. Ah. Ayo, why did you do that? I hate airplanes. Because they cost me money. So I hate airplanes. Bruh. Shut up around you. Okay. Fine. Okay. We're gonna build another airplane. Okay, now we revive. Yeah. Okay, everything is alright. Okay, never do that again. Okay. So excited. Shut up. What did you say? Sorry. Nothing. Guys, I think we're almost there. Don't worry. We're almost there. Guys, I'm so excited to go to Taiwan. Yeah. If you fix this, then you're the hero. Thanks. I think I ate too much. I'm gonna explode. Yeah, he ate too much. That's why he got the big head. Anyways. Wait. Shush. I'm your friend. Yo. Ayo, stop. Anyways. Wait. Who's singing? Me, because I like this song. Sure. Well, we're almost there. Yeah, we're flipped. We flipped. Good ending. You saved the day. But the housemates are leaving. Okay, now it's time to get some shout outs. Oh. How's your congregation? For being only this guy, did you know that is the good ending? We'll create the bad ending coming soon. Let's go.